Welcome back to Auto Hub Info, your #1 destination for the latest insights into the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking you on a nostalgic yet futuristic ride with the 2026 Volkswagen Kombi van, a legend reborn with modern flair. Whether you remember it from the hippie era or you're just discovering it as a futuristic electric people mover, the new Kombi promises to capture hearts across generations. So sit back, buckle up, and let's explore why the 2026 Volkswagen Kombi van might just be your next favorite van. The Volkswagen Kombi, also known historically as the microbus or Type 2, is a vehicle with an identity that transcends automotive boundaries. First introduced in the late 1940s, the Kombi was originally designed to be a simple, practical transporter. It quickly evolved into a cultural icon through the 1960s and 70s, beloved by families, road trippers, and free spirits alike. In 2026, Volkswagen brings this legendary van back to life, not as a retro throwback, but as a thoroughly modern electric vehicle built for the future. Now built on the MEB platform, Volkswagen's modular electric drive architecture, the 2026 Kombi van is a masterclass in combining heritage with innovation. Powered entirely by electricity, the new Kombi offers a driving experience that's quiet, smooth, and emissions-free. This is Volkswagen's vision of clean mobility, and the Kombi is right at the center of it. Germany, the birthplace of Volkswagen, remains the core market where the Kombi is manufactured and celebrated, but its popularity knows no borders. In fact, Brazil has historically been one of the strongest markets for the Kombi. The original model was produced there until as recently as 2013, and even today, the new 2026 version is generating massive buzz in South America. North America, particularly the United States and Canada, is also showing strong demand, with many nostalgic buyers and families eager to embrace the electric lifestyle in something that doesn't feel like a bland EV. Europe, of course, is expected to lead in Kombi sales, driven by eco-conscious consumers, urban delivery companies, and travel enthusiasts. The Kombi's popularity in 2026 isn't just rooted in nostalgia. It's also thanks to its fresh design, versatile functionality, and strong eco-credentials. While the exterior nods to the original with its upright windshield, short overhangs, and boxy silhouette, the interior is all about the future. Digital displays, configurable seating, and a cabin that feels more like a living room on wheels. It's the ultimate fusion of past and future. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Kombi van is no slouch. It's equipped with an electric motor capable of delivering up to 295 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque in the dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration. Acceleration is surprisingly brisk for a van of its size, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6.8 seconds. For those who prefer efficiency over speed, the rear-wheel drive version offers a more balanced performance profile that still provides a satisfying driving experience with a whisper-quiet electric hum. Fuel efficiency, or rather energy efficiency in this case, is another strong point. The 2026 Kombi van boasts a driving range of approximately 280 to 300 miles on a full charge, depending on the configuration and driving conditions. Thanks to fast charging capabilities, the Kombi can recharge up to 80% in around 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. That makes it ideal for long road trips or daily family hauling without constant charging anxiety. But what truly sets the Kombi apart is its capabilities. This is not just a van for commuting, it's built for life. Whether you're heading to a mountain getaway, a beach retreat, or a city adventure, the Kombi adapts to your needs. With multiple seating configurations, removable second and third rows, and an available camping package that includes a mini kitchenette and fold-out bed, it's a true do-it-all machine. There's even an optional solar roof that can add extra range on sunny days and power small electronics. Key features of the 2026 Kombi include a fully digital cockpit, a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even an available self-parking system. It's packed with smart tech to make driving easier and more enjoyable. The interior materials are sustainable and high quality, using recycled fabrics, vegan leather options, and ambient wood finishes. USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and customizable interior lighting add a premium touch. The sliding doors on both sides make access effortless, and the low floor height is perfect for loading gear or helping little ones get in and out. As for the price, the 2026 Volkswagen Kombi van starts at around $48,000 for the base rear-wheel drive model. The dual-motor AWD version in higher trims with more luxurious amenities can push the price up to around $65,000. While this might seem steep compared to traditional minivans, it's competitive when you consider the EV segment, features, and unique character that the Kombi brings to the table. And let's not forget, it's more than just transportation, it's an experience. So what's the real selling point of the 2026 Volkswagen Kombi van? It's emotion. This isn't just another electric van. It's a symbol of freedom, community, and sustainability. It brings people together, whether you're taking your kids to school or heading cross-country with friends. The Kombi represents a lifestyle shift, away from gas-guzzling SUVs toward a cleaner, more connected way to move. Families love it for the space and safety. Adventurers love it for the versatility and features. Eco-conscious buyers love it for the green footprint. And enthusiasts love it for the legacy and charm. Simply put, the Kombi van is not just a vehicle. It's a statement. So, if you're looking for something that's practical yet cool, nostalgic yet futuristic, and sustainable yet fun to drive, the 2026 Volkswagen Kombi van might just be your perfect ride. Thanks for watching Auto Hub Info. If you enjoyed this review and want more content on the latest and greatest vehicles coming to market, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got more amazing car reviews and news coming your way. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.